intermediate combinations every single week, and today is like no other. We are doing a musical theater combination to Anything Goes from Anything Goes, and this will be an intermediate combination. So without further ado, let's just go into it, and it will be a quick one today, but we're still here. Alright, so we are going to start with 4 single time steps, and it's going to be kind of fast. So, and we're going to land that third one with just the stomp hop step. We're not going to add that flat ball change. So let me show you that again. So it's going to go stomp hop step, stomp hop step, stomp hop step, stomp hop step. All together. From there, we're going to do 2 Manhattans, and they're pretty fast. So to the right, full lap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. To the left, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step. Stomp, hop, step. Stomp, hop, step. Stomp, hop, step. Full lap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Full lap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Awesome. Let me show you guys that music. It's going to be quick today. talk through that again because I messed that up. So from our Manhattan, flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, 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 heel, toe, 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 ball change, toe, 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 ball change. Awesome. Feel free to do whatever you want with your hands. I'm going to keep going. From there, we are just doing 4 buffaloes. And I might as well just give you the ending now. We're just going to finish it off with time steps. So let's talk through the whole thing, do it with music a couple times, and then you're on with your merry way. On with your merry way. Okay, so we start time step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Flap, heel, flap, heel, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then buffalo. 4. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, together. Pretty sure it's just 1.5 time steps. Let me talk through that one more time, and then we'll do it with music. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Flap, heel, heel. Flap, heel, heel. Flap, heel. Flap, flap. Toe, 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 ball change. Toe, 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 ball change. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Stop, hop, step. Stop, hop, step. Okay, let's do all that with music a couple times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Stop. Flap, heel, heel. Flap, heel. Toe, toe, toe. 3.5. Let's do it 2 more times. I'm a hot mess today. Oh my god, exactly. Today, guys, I'm so sorry. But let's just do 2 more times. Whew. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 times step. To talk. I'm gonna do it one more time without talking. It's just a lot easier to hear the music because my speaker is, for some reason, really low today. So we're gonna all do it one more time together, and that'll be our video. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Combination today. If you had any problems with this at all, feel free to check out our beginner video from Tuesday. It's pretty similar choreography, just a little bit easier. So feel free to check that out and come back here and let me know what you guys think. We have officially launched our Patreon, so if you want to check that out down there, I am offering a bunch of exclusives. You guys can vote on music, you guys can have private one-on-one lessons or even private classes. So please, 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 if you want to support this channel, go check that out. And thank you so much for dancing with us today, and we will see you next week.